this 2021 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 280 rupees as a fifth wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, external shower, air conditioning, microwave, awning, smoke detector, TV, refrigerator, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 280 rupees is 8,491 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.